Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add and remove user profiles inside of Amazon Prime Video. First, I'll walk you through how to do this on the desktop website, and then we'll take a look at the mobile and smart app versions after that. To get started, head to Amazon.com and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged into your Prime account, select the All menu button on the left, Prime Video, and then Prime Video again. Now that you're in here, you'll see who's watching on the top right area of your screen. To add a new user, select the drop down here and then choose Add New. Enter the name of the new user and toggle the switch if it's a kid's profile, which will restrict what the user can watch. When you're done, hit Save Changes. You can then choose the new user profile that we just created and start watching. To delete the user, just select Who's Watching again and then Manage Profiles. At the bottom, select Edit Profile and then choose the user that you want to delete. On the edit page, select Remove Profile and then again to confirm. You will then see that the new user profile that we added has now been removed. Now we'll take a look at these steps on the mobile or smart app. Once inside of the Prime Video app, choose My Stuff on the bottom right. In here, choose your name at the top of the screen, and then to add a user, select New. Again, go through the same steps as before to create a new user profile. And to delete the new profile, just tap My Stuff again, the name at the top, and then Edit. In here, choose the user that you want to delete, tap the trash can next to Remove Profile, and then Yes to confirm. And that's how you add and remove user profiles inside of Amazon Prime Video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.